Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're constantly switching between apps just to find the next episode of your favorite drama, or searching endlessly for the latest K-dramas, Asian series, or trending movies, stop right there. Because today I've got something that will save you time, frustration, and data. Dramabox. It's an all-in-one streaming app that brings everything you love, Kdramas, Asian dramas, hit movies, classic shows, right into one sleek, simple platform. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to install it, set it up properly, and start watching right away, all on your Android phone. So if you've ever felt like streaming should be easier, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, unlock your Android phone and head straight to the Google Play Store. At the top, tap the search bar and type in Dramabox. That's 2 words. Look for the app with its official icon, usually a simple black and white logo that says Dramabox clearly. Double check it's the real one. There are a few copycats out there. Once you're sure, go ahead and tap install. Give it a few seconds to download and finish the setup. Once done, tap open to launch the app for the first time. Now, you'll be greeted with a pop-up requesting you to accept the terms and conditions. Just tap accept to move forward. Now let's set things up. At the bottom right of your screen, tap the profile icon. This is where you'll log in or create your account. You'll see 2 simple login options, Facebook or Google. Pick whichever you prefer. In this case, I'll go with Google. Then select the account I want to use. And just like that, we're in. Before we continue, quick heads up, if you've made it this far and haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Go ahead, tap that red subscribe button below. It supports the channel and makes sure you don't miss future tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's keep going. Now that you're logged in, tap the home button at the bottom center of the screen. This is your main dashboard, where the magic happens. You'll find trending shows, latest releases, categories like action, romance, historical, Korean, Chinese, and more. You can scroll through the homepage, or if you already have something in mind, tap the search icon at the top and type in your favorite show. Once you find something interesting, tap the heart icon to save it to your watch list for quick access later. And here's something important. To get the best possible experience, make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network and always keep the app updated from the Play Store. This will ensure smooth streaming and give you access to the newest features and improvements. And that's it. You now know exactly how to install and use the Dramabox app like a pro. So tell me in the comments, what's the first series or movie you're going to watch with Dramabox? Or is there another streaming app you'd love me to review next? Let me know below. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, and if you haven't already, hit subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss another tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.